Three, two, one, go.
Hi, I'm Muskan Jubal. I'm 13 years old. I love cars and I've been passionate about driving since childhood. I started karting at the age of 9. I was completely thrilled when I got a chance for a demo race with Mira Erda at Red Bull Catch Up when I was just 11 years old.
She couldn't race, but she's the best. And let's have a clap for her. From a good shot, you have to come and prepare us.
I was recognized as the youngest and the fastest female of the track for consecutive 2 years. It was like a golden opportunity to drive and share the track with Narayan Karthike and learn from him. I have had exposure to 13 tracks in total, nationally and internationally. Since I was the fastest in the qualifiers, I got chosen for the LGP Formula 4 training at the age of 12. Thank you Saroj sir and Ahura for this opportunity. I stepped into nationals in 2019 with the first round of Girls on Track and JK Tyre 4-stroke national karting in Bangalore. I participated in all three rounds, stood as a clear winner in karting slalom, and won podiums in 2 rounds of the simulator racing. I won this first trophy in slalom, and thanks to Rohit Khanna sir, he helped me prepare for this and he encouraged me to participate in this. It is always good to keep learning and upgrade the skills. Hence, did a Rotax training with Miko. My brother and I were super excited when we shared a podium in the grand finals of JK Tyre National Karting Championship in the junior category. I feel it is a must to express your gratitude to your source of guidance and source of inspiration, isn't it? Thanks to my supportive family and my coach Rohit sir. Yet another memorable experience when I got to meet international female racers of X1 Racing League. It was great to hear experiences from Kosia Ridex, Deepa Man, and Rahel Frey.
Honestly, even when it's raining, you spoke about slippery conditions. I know that it's for you guys, you will never have the possibility to drive in snow and ice.
Correct.
But when it's heavy raining, like yesterday, take a road cut and go out on track. It's exactly the same thing. This is what we did in Switzerland.
Isn't it exciting to see your name making the headlines? And another great experience where we were invited to the Times Women Drive to boost the morale of the participants.
And here we have Muskan Jubal, actually Aman's daughter, who's the national champion for karting. Muskan, please come on stage. This is Muskan. How are you, Muskan?
And the moment of the year for me, a well-deserved podium.
Ladies and gentlemen, the FIA initiative Girls on Track, outstanding women in motorsport 2019. We've had some amazing initiatives that have been undertaken in the year that's gone by, the season that's just ended. Let's quickly invite Muskan Jabal as well on stage. Congratulations, Muskan. Third overall in the Sony 4-stroke junior karting. And many congratulations to Muskan Jabal as well. May I... Muskan won with the boys as well, so that's credit to you, Muskan. Yeah. I remember interviewing this very talented bunch on the racetrack. I think it was in Coimbatore last season. Yeah, 3 cheers for them.
2019 has been remarkable. Yet, 2020 lockdown could not keep me away from my passion. My brother, who's my mentor, takes me for a spin, and I am gearing up to drive a manual car even more confidently. My life has two rules. Rule number 1, never quit. Rule number 2, always remember rule number 1. Keep positive, keep going. You never know how strong you are until you look back at everything you've overcome and achieved. Let your smile change the world, but don't let the world change your smile. Godspeed.